Here is another model engine that might be at a low price. It says in-store purchase only. So let's take a look. We are looking at the Hurricane model engine that is for sale for $7.88, and it looks like it's on my store, my local store, Walmart store. So I'm gonna ask someone at the Walmart store and see if they have it, and it looks like it's the only one left. If I can get it, well, if not, anyways, but I will try. I'm just showing you that this model engine is still for sale at my local store here in Norwell, Ohio, for $7.88. I think it's really hard to find at this moment because they're no longer for sale at many online stores or local stores, physical stores. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.